Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on Do Not Track in Edge browser on Android. So this is my Android device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Edge browser. So let me open mine. So here is my Edge browser. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to tap on this three dots, this button in this bottom menu. So let me tap on this, and then you have to tap on this settings, and I have this settings. This is screen opened, and on this screen you have to scroll down to this advanced section, and in this section you have to tap on this privacy and security. So let me tap on this, and I have this privacy and security. This is screen opened, and on this screen you have to scroll down at the very bottom, and you can see here we have this option do not track. So currently it is set to off, so let's turn on this. So just tap on this do not track, and I have this do not track. This is screen opened. So in order to turn on do not track, what you need to do, you have to tap on this toggle button next to this off, and you have to move this slider to the right. So before turning on, here we have this message. Let's read that. Turning on do not track only means that we will send your preference to the website. How they respond might vary. For example, some sites might respond by showing you ads that are not based on other websites you have visited. Many sites will still collect and use your browsing data for different reasons. To improve security, provide content, ads and recommendations, and generate reporting statistics. So let's turn on do not track. So in order to turn on, you have to tap on this toggle button next to this off, and you have to move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now turned on. And if I go back and come to this do not track, you can see it's turned on. So it's now done guys. After that you can go back. Let me go back again. So that's it. In this way you can easily turn on do not track in Edge browser on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.